the racing car. This is Gig. He is fast and nimble. Gig is always in the mood for some wacky racing. There was a race one time, and Gig wanted to be in it. But when he came on track, turned out he couldn't enter the contest. They said only racing cars can take part. He gave all the other cars a gloomy look and went back home. But Gig is not a whiny, and he doesn't want to feel sad. Why not pay BiBi a visit? Time to pimp Gig's ride at BiBi's workshop.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair, and all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Today was a little quiet for BiBi. He took care of his customers yesterday and was expecting more today. Then Gig came over. BiBi said hello and asked what happened.
Hey Gig, what's the trouble? You need help?
And so the Gig told BiBi about the racing contest and how he wanted to take part in it, and that they said only racing cars can be in it. BiBi gave it a little thought and quickly found way out.
Don't worry, Gig. We'll fix your problem. We'll make a great racing car out of you. You'll be super fast, and they'll have to let you enter the race. Right, guys? Where should we start? Safety first. To make it more safe, we should get him a roof. Alright, looks good. Racing cars should have a rear wing. Let's get you one. Racing cars have rear wings because they make them go faster.
Is this the rear wing?
No, it isn't a rear wing at all. It's a lock.
What about this?
No, it's a spoiler. It looks like a rear wing, but it's a different thing. There must be clearance between the spoiler and the trunk.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one we need. And it's got clearance. Okay, let's lift you up a bit. And now it's time for piping. Racing pipes are a bit wider than the usual ones, and the piping system itself should be as firm as possible. It will make the car sound louder, but it will make it go faster. Okay, let's make Gig a real racing car. One so that he can win the race.
Is this the one?
Oh, no, it's too small.
Maybe this one.
Nope, this isn't the one we need. That's the one we took off.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one. Alright, all there's left to do now is to get you a new bumper to make you stable during the race. Alright, Gig. You've been officially pimped. Looks like you can call yourself a real racing car from now on. Good luck to you.
And so Gig has become a real racing car, and he even won the race. Thanks, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Scooter Shooter. What a lovely day! Our friend Scooter seems to enjoy it very much. Boy, those bikes are fast. You wanna be fast too? Well, I know a place we can go.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi's sitting on a box. He's reading a car mag.
Wow, this new electric car is awesome! Hey there, how can I help you?
And so the Scooter told BiBi about the 2 rapid bikes he saw earlier. He said he wanted to be fast like them. Scooter said he wanted to be friends with them, but those bikes were too quick to notice little Scooter.
Oh! I see. You know what? We can make you much faster, but there will be a lot of work. You sure you want to do this, my little friend? First of all, let's take off your wheels and motor. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Now let's pick up new parts. I think we should start with a motor.
How about this one?
Let's see. Come on, give it a try. No, this one's too small.
What about this one?
Oh no, this one's too big.
Well, let's try this one.
Come on, let's try it out. All right, looks perfect. Now let's get you some new wheels.
What about these?
Nuh-uh, these are bicycle wheels.
How about these?
They are really small. We need bigger ones.
How about these?
All right, that's what we need. Now let's paint you up. Pick the color you like the best. How about yellow? No? All right. Let's try green. Okay, how about blue? Nice! Now let's polish you. Wow! Look at you, my friend. You look way better, and you're much faster now. Let's see how fast you can go. See ya!
And so our friend Scooter said thanks and went to try out his new motor. And even though our friend isn't a motorcycle, he's even faster. He took the first place and found some new friends. This made Scooter very happy. Thanks again, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi on the moon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop. I just bought something really cool. Look, it's a spanner. Oh, 1 second. Baby's workshop, Baby speaking.
Hello, this is Pilot Belkin speaking. We have trouble on the moon. Our moonwalker broke down. It can't move. We heard you're a great master of your craft. Perhaps you could come and help us.
Oh, I don't know really. I've never been on the moon before.
That's okay, we'll send for you.
Really? Wow, that's so cool. I always wanted to see the moon. How you gonna get me there?
You decide. Just tell us, and we'll get you there.
Oh, great! Let me write it all down. Well, okay. Option 1. I want an Iron Man costume. He's so cool. Option 2. Military fighter plane. That would be awesome. It has guns and many cool features. And if aliens attack me, I can strike back. Option 3 is of course a rocket, but that's kind of dull. It's like you're sitting in there trapped. Hey, what do you think, guys? How should I get to the moon?
Okay, I checked your list, and I can tell you this. Iron Man costume is out of the question. There isn't enough air to get you to the moon.
Bummer.
Fighter plane is also a bad idea. Not enough fuel.
Too bad. Then there's only rocket option.
Yep, you can only get there by rocket. The launch is tomorrow morning. Be ready.
Okay.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! Okay, let's go! Wow, that is awesome! Ah, the moon! Gotta land! I should check the safety belts. Phew! Looks like all good. Now I need my spacesuit and those oxygen cylinders. I'm sure you guys know that there's no air on the moon. That's why all spacemen use oxygen cylinders. Hooray! I'm on the moon! Whoa! I'm so light, it feels awesome! Woohoo! Great! Hey guys, you know how can I jump so high? 'Cause the moon is smaller than the planet Earth, and I weigh much less. I'm so light. Here's the moonwalker. Okay, let's see what happened to you. Ah, I think I get it. There's some moon dust on the solar panel right there. I should fix it right away. This is a solar panel. When the sun hits the panel, it creates an electric charge. That's what makes its motor run. Now the dust covers the panel, so the light can get through and charge the battery. Let's figure out how to clean up that solar panel, you guys. I have 3 options. First one is a bucket of water with a wipe. Second option, take a spare oxygen cylinder and blow away the dust. And the last option is just take a wipe and clean it up. just like your mom does it at home. I want to try all of them. Let's see which option is more suitable. All right. Let's get down to business. Oh my! What a froze! I kind of forgot that it's actually freezing cold out here on the moon. Well, alright, let's use our spare oxygen cylinder instead. Uh-huh. Whoa! Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Oh, no! Ew! So scary! I forgot I weighed much less here. All this oxygen got me so high. Word of advice for you guys: never touch gas cylinders. It's dangerous. Okay, let's just wipe the dust off the solar panel once and for all. But it must be dry, so that water don't freeze immediately. It is so cold out here. Almost done. All right. Good as new. Hello? BiBi to Earth. Can you hear me? This is BiBi.
Hearing you loud and clear. How are you?
Mission accomplished. You can turn it on now. Hooray! I fixed the moonwalker. Coming back to Earth. Warm and green, where the plants are growing. Woohoo! It's so cool we got a chance to go to the moon, right guys? And it's a good thing we fixed that moonwalker. What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.